Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to add a list on your Hubspot. First, log into your Hubspot account. Once in, on the left sidebar, click on CRM and choose Lists. After that, on the upper right corner, you can see a Create List button. Click on it. Then you can choose whatever list you want to make. For this, I will make a contact. Then I will just click Next. For the filter, you can choose however or whatever you need for your list. For here, I will choose on Contact Properties. Then I will search for email. In here, you can also choose again however you want. For this, I will select on is known. And in here, Hubspot will generate a list according to your filters. Once done, just click on Review and Save. Then choose whether active or static. Choose active, then save and process list. You can see your new list by clicking on CRM again and click List. Here you will see your new added list. And that's it. You now have a list on your Hubspot. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon.